So I've restored my snapshot. I'm back at the same place where we always are, where we're skipping things. So in this example, just depending whether you've jumped here or you've just been following along, what I've done is I have connected a USB to this virtual machine. I mean, you would simply plug in your USB drive into your computer if it was a physical computer. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to VM removable drives, and I'm going to connect my drive to the VM. Now, there are many ways to do this, but I'm just going to use Explorer to see the name of my drive. In this case, you can see it's E. So D is my DVD, E is my new disk that was plugged in. So I'm just going to go to E drive and type dir to see the files there. And you can see this is the file that I want to run. It's actually a text file. So I'm going to copy bypassnro text file, and I'll just make it a batch script like that. So dir shows my script there. So that's the script I want to run. So I'm literally just going to say bypassnro cmd to run my script. And as you can see, the computer has rebooted. This is essentially the NRO script that comes with previous versions of Windows. You don't need access to that. I've copied the script below, so you can just copy that and create a batch script yourself. When the computer reboots, we want to make sure that we've disabled internet access. So I'll show you that in a second. But the moral of the story here is that you are creating a script. So Shift F10 here again. I'm going to click in here, ncpa cpl, and then I'm going to disable my network adapter. You need to disable all the network adapters that you have so that you don't have access to the internet, and just re-enable them at the end of this process. Region is US, keyboard is US, skip additional keyboard, and say I don't have internet, accept the license. My name is going to be David. Password I'm not going to set. I am going to turn off all the tracking, click accept, and there you go. The system will be set up. Now, don't forget that you need to enable your network adapters once your system is back. Obviously, that depends if you want to have internet access or not, but you probably do. So you're going to want to enable the various network adapters like your Wi-Fi adapter, etc. Okay, so there you go. You can see that my account is a local account. You can see that as well inside system. Local account over there. WinVer will show us the version of Windows we're using. So it's version 25H2, and in this case, 26220. Because I'm old, I'm going to use Control Panel to enable my network adapters. You could do it another way if you prefer. Network Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, and then I'm going to enable my network adapter so that I have access to the internet. You would enable Wi-Fi, etc., so that you can go online. Okay, so there you go, another method.